Today, we'll show you how to restore a broken furniture corner to its original state. Watch the full video. Watch with me this wonderful idea that may help you in the field of modern carpentry. Best wooden furniture impressive work, and tips and tricks innovative ideas. Our page promotes creativity and innovation, and showcase you with the best content about creative crafts and innovative items manufacturing. Enjoy the content and share your opinions with us through comments. Visit the page. Such innovative ideas are on our page. If you like the video, please like the video. Comment and follow the page. Thank you.